What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I wanted to do a vegan food haul. I realized that I haven't done one since I've been vegan. I'm going to show you guys what less than $100 can buy. This is actually from 3 supermarkets. It's from Walmart neighborhood, some of it from Sam's Club, and then the others from Aldi's. So I'm going to show you just what we got with just under $100. I think it was around $96 between the 3. So let's get started. Alright, so these are organic Chiquita bananas. They were on sale for 59 cents. So I bought 6 bunches of them. They are great. Bananas are so versatile for us. Like, we just freeze them if they get too ripe, and then we use them for smoothies. We have them as snacks. We actually have them with rice and beans. The rice and beans are salty, and then the sweet banana gives it a nice contrast. Super delicious. So we use bananas quite a bit. Then the peels, I freeze them and I compost them for the garden. So multi-use. They are excellent and a lot of bang for your buck. Okay, so next, this is a 25-pound bag of Members Mark long grain rice, and we are of Hispanic descent, so we eat tons of rice and beans as part of our culture. Rice is a great grain to mix in with beans, and the beans add fiber and slow down the absorption of the conversion of rice into glucose. So really, really good combination. Great bang for your buck. Okay, so we have a triple clean bag of pinto beans here. These go great with rice. We use them a lot. We also buy 12-pound bags of black beans from Sam's and many other dry beans. We realize that the dry beans are so much more flavorful, and we can mix them. We can put them in the pressure cooker, and they come out super delicious. The quality is so much better than actual canned beans. I put these in water for 2 hours, and once they're done, then I put it in another pot and add the aromatics, and they're super delicious. I absolutely love these. Like I said, like $6 for 12 pounds. Great bargain. Less than 50 cents a pound for these at Sam's Club. Over here we have pineapples. These came from Aldi's, and these are $1.25 each. They were on sale. Pineapple is loaded with healthy digestive enzymes like bromelain and many other beneficial chemicals and phytochemicals. So we love pineapple. We eat these as a snack a lot. We got 3 of them. All right, so here we have marinara sauce from Simply Organic. This is actually Aldi's brand. These are $2 a bottle. They are great. They come in mason jars, and we reuse these mason jars for pickling veggies and for many other things. And this year, with the garden growing all the tomatoes, I will actually make my own tomato sauce and bottle it back. And these also for bottling tomatoes and other veggies for later use. Over here we have canned black beans, and these are in case of emergency. They are organic, and they're less than $1 each at Aldi's also. Alright, here we have some avocado salsa. This is from Sam's Club, and it's $5, and it's actually 2 pounds. This stuff is amazing, super delicious. It has cilantro, tomatillos, avocado. You can take a spoon of this and put it on a piece of bread, and it's a great recipe. Alright, here I have some grapeseed oil, and normally we don't use much oil. This will probably last us a year. It's non-GMO, so that was a nice plus. And we probably use maybe a teaspoon of oil a day sometimes to saute veggies or something like that. But we use very little. It was on sale, so we got it. I think it was $5 for this bottle. Here we have some organic bell peppers. These were a little bit pricier than what I would normally pay. I think they were like $2 or more for 2 peppers, maybe $3. But what I will do is, because they are organic, I will save the seeds from these and I'll plant them in the garden, and then we'll have peppers all year. I can also grow them in water, but that's subject for another video. I'll show you guys how to grow peppers on water indoors. Here we have some white button mushrooms, and these were $1 each, also at Aldi's. This is broccoli flowerets, and we always buy these. We get them at Sam's Club, I believe. They're around $3 per bag, and they go a long way. Salads, you know, we eat them steamed, we eat them raw, just straight out of the bag. So these are a great deal. We always buy these. This was from Sam's Club, and it was around $5, and it is organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. That was a great deal for these 2 big bottles. They're basically a liter. We use this for salads, you know, and many other uses around the house. This is Quaker Oats, of course. This is a huge container. I believe it has 2 bags inside. I mean, I know it has 2 bags inside, but I believe there is 5 pounds. So it's 2 5-pound bags, 10 pounds of Quaker Oats. And I think these are around $7 or something like that at Sam's Club. Great deal. We eat this a lot for breakfast. We eat it savory. We eat it sweet. We eat it with hot sauce. I mean, oats are really healthy and a great part of our vegan diet. Here we have a big container of Maxwell House. We love this coffee. We don't drink a lot of coffee, but when we do, we usually use this. And this is a great deal. I think it was around $7 for like 300 servings. This will probably last us 6 months. Here we have some organic red potatoes. These were around, I think, $4 for the 3-pound bag. And what I'll do with this is I use some of them, and then the little eyes on the potatoes that have the growth, we use those to plant them. So we'll get free potatoes for potato season from these. So we get food and we get to harvest some potatoes out of this. And here we have a 6-pound bag of red onions. Red onions I use a lot in my recipes, whether it's raw for salads or I use them for cooking for aromatics. This 6-pound bag was around $6 at Sam's Club. So great deal there. So this is a 5-pound bag, and we paid $7. I believe they were like $1.50 per pound, which is a great deal, and they are some beautiful looking apples to snack on. Okay, so that was basically it, guys. I just wanted you to see how far your dollar can go on a vegan diet. We got tons of food, especially the rice and beans. They go a really long way, and now that we're growing a lot of our veggies, that will save us also a lot of money. I will be doing some more videos on the kitchen garden and how you can grow a lot of your food and basically get free food all year.